Hello guys, Inject Trader here. This is Rise of Nations gameplay, and I found a temporary fix until Hyperrank can fix the problem himself officially. And the problem is if you're playing mobile, which I am right now, and you want to nuke someone, but it's really hard to do so. And I'm gonna show you how you can nuke someone efficiently. So basically, I have a nuke right here. I'm at war with the United States. We were having a nuclear war. I was winning because I had the advantage. I had a head start. But anyways, so basically what you want to do is you're gonna want to take your nuke. Well, first, before that, you're gonna want to go to the military tab, military groups, and make a group, any kind of group. For this group, I just called it nuke. And then after that, you're gonna want to go to your nuke, and you're gonna want to select it and assign it to the group that you made. After that, you can select. Then you go over to the city you want to explode. Let's say Washington DC. Then you go down here where you can choose different nodes, I think. And then you want to go over to military groups, like I'm here. Then you're gonna look for your group, nuke. So you can see I already have the nuclear bomb selected, and I'm just gonna press the signal. Make sure to do this one at a time unless you just want to launch a bunch of nukes, but I do it one at a time to preserve my nukes, and because like multiple nukes at a time, it's kind of inefficient in my eyes anyways. You can do it however you like, but yeah, you can see it's coming into Washington DC, and yeah. That's how you use nuclear bombs effectively in mobile. It's fixed. Well, at least unofficially it's fixed. Still waiting on Hyperend, but thank you. Bye.